morning. Wanted to give another update on SPY since we talked on November 21st, 22nd. At that point, we had a technometer down here at the bottom, trading at 43, which is neutral. Showed us we had some more upside. So let's start the action. We start out the day of the update. We were having a decent day. We rallied close pretty strong on the day. We did get an overbought technometer on our SPY, but not on our other general market indices. And then we did our report on Sunday stating that we thought we could still work higher. We had mentioned on our last update we could see a rally to 410. We actually touched that exactly on December 1st, yesterday. I now have labeled that on the bearish count as a nice ABC rally. We've got an overbought technometer. Actually, we traded 53.29 on the technometer. We were above 54. So that's telling us to look for some type of sideways to lower here. If we're extremely bearish, we're going to fall apart here on volume. If we are going to continue higher, then we should see a nice little contained pullback down to that 395 level possibly. And then we'll try the upside again. So let's see how next week trades out early in the week, and we'll update then. Have a good weekend.